Hello, here's a demonstration sock, hence all the funny colors, and I'm going to show you how to help students remember where to decrease for this instep or this gusset or whatever you want to call it there. It's really hard to remember which needle, which end, which stitches, and when to decrease. So I use a simple thread stitch marker, which is easily replaced if lost, right? If the students lose it, they just make another one. I don't have to search for the matching color or whatever. And I put that one stitch before the end, so the students know to decrease these two just before they acts kind of as a stop sign. Stop, think about it, decrease here if you need to. Let me show you the bird's eye view. Seen from the top, you'll see that this is the center back here, which is the start of any round. And I will decrease at this corner here, and the marker is telling me to stop and think about it. And I'll also decrease at this corner here, at the end of this needle, at the beginning of that needle. And that's really tricky to remember if you're beginning, like which end, which needle. It's so easy to get off track, but these stitch markers will keep you on track. I hope this helps when you knit your next pair of socks.